Hello, Duan. Good evening, Duan.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so how are you today, Duan? How are you?
Um, good.
Oh, okay. So what is your dinner tonight? What is your dinner tonight?
Uh, I ate I ate rice and some
Wow,
vegetable.
wow, amazing. Okay, so um, do you want to school today?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What did you do at school? What did you do at school?
I studied and talk with my friend.
Wow. Okay. So do you know that it's my birthday today, Duan? Yeah.
Happy
It's
birthday to you.
okay. Thank you, Duan. Okay, Duan. How's the weather like there today, Duan?
It's, it's cloudy.
Ah, wow. Okay, Duan. What is your favorite subject at school, brother? What is your favorite subject?
It's art.
Uh-huh. Wow. Do you like to draw?
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Okay, Duan, do you like to play badminton?
Yes.
Wow, really? Yes, of course, me too. I know how to play badminton also. And um I'm prep play volleyball. Yes, I'm very good playing volleyball. Yes. Okay. Do you have a lot of homework? Okay, have you answered your homework? Do you answer that? Okay. So after this class, please answer. Okay. Please answer your homework. Okay. Yes. All right. Um, do you like to travel? Duan,
What?
do you like to travel? Have you tried going to different countries? Yes. Have you tried to visit different countries? Joanne?
Yes.
Wow. Can you please tell me what country is that?
Um, I visited, I visited Thailand last year.
Oh, okay, so what are you doing there? Do you have some activity in there?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. So, how about your family? Do you have banding with your family in other countries?
What?
Do you have bandings with your family to other countries?
Yes.
Wow, what country is that? May I know what country is that? May I know what country is that, Duan? Uh, what, Duan? May I know what country is that? Duan, hello? Hello, Duan.
Yes.
Yes, can you please tell me what country is that?
Thailand.
Thailand. Oh, wow. It's in Thailand. It's a beautiful country, right?
Yes.
Yes, you can see there a big castle, right? Right, Dion? A big castle. Hello, Duan.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Duan, what is your dinner tonight? Do you like to eat peanut? Duan, do you like to eat peanut? Do you know what is peanut? Okay, so Duan, let's start our test now. Are you ready now to answer? Are you ready now? Are you ready now to answer, Duan? Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Here you are going to answer the okay. Choose the answer. So all you need to do is circle the correct answer. For that, you should need to read no the conversation in here. You should need to conversation about the two friends. Okay. Are you ready now? But before that, on to on, what was our lesson last meeting? We discussed emoticon and text message, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please explain me what is emoticon? Yes. What is emoticon? Express what? What is emoticon? Express feeling, right? Duan, hello.
Yes.
You say emoticon is to express a feelings, right? Okay, all right. So I want you to read the section in here. Are you ready now to read? Are you ready now to read? Can you hear me? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Can you please read? And who are the two person in here? The two person in here?
Victor and Jim.
Yes, Victor and him friend Lie, right? Yes. Okay. Can you please read? Can you please read, Juan?
Yes. Hi Jim, how are you? I haven't been well for a week. Jenny, did you get our card? Yes, thank you. I want to come back soon so to see you all, but I feel awful. Yeah, but to stay in bed if you want to get better. Drink lots of water. I will can't can't wait to see you again. You too.
Okay. So can you please read for number one and tell me your answer, okay?
Yes.
Okay, please. Please, one. I want you to read.
Why is Victor writing to?
Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer for number one, Duan? What is your answer? Okay, let's see if your answer is correct, okay? Yes, it's letter A. Can you please read the text? Can you
He's worried about his friend.
can you please read the text below? I said text below.
He
Below.
talks about a card he sends Jim and tells him to drink water. but the reason he is in the gym is because he is worried that Jim is okay.
Okay, very good. So next, read the conversation. Who are they? Can you please tell me?
Elizabeth and
Yes, Elizabeth and Alex. Can you please read their conversation?
Hi Alex, would you like to come to the park? No, sorry, I need to take my friend to the vet. Oh no, what's wrong with her? She's had a problem with her heart since April. Poor thing. I hope better soon. Me too. The vet says that she should be fine.
Yes. Okay, number two. Please read.
What did Elizabeth write to Alex?
Yes. What is your answer? What is your answer? Okay, your answer is letter. What is your answer again?
C.
Letter C. Very good. Okay, so your answer is correct. So you want you to read the text below. Can you please read?
Alex talked about walking the rabbit to the vet, but Elizabeth sent a message to ask about going to the park.
Okay, very good. Next. Oh, okay, let's read their conversation. And who are the two person in here? Persons in here.
Julia and Ian.
Ayan. Okay, please read. Okay, so what is your observation about the conversation? Is there a lot of emoticon? Is there a lot of emoticon there?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. There's a lot of feelings in there, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay, please read.
I've broken my ankle. I was playing tennis in the courts in the park when a dog ran toward me. I tried to get away by jumping over the net, but I fell uh, over it and broke my ankle. Oh no, how long has your ankle been injured? Since Tuesday, I've been at home since then. Is it painful? No, it's fine, but I feel very bored. I haven't left my house for days. What have you studied in chemistry since Tuesday? I'd like to look at it this week. Pages 46 and 47 show a visit.
Okay,
This evening we could look at the chemistry together. Thank you, that'd be great. I'll bring you some chocolate to help you feel better.
okay. Can you please read the question?
What do Julia and Ian agree to go together?
What is your answer? Okay, so let's check. Answer is correct, okay? Oh, it's letter A, not letter B, okay? Do on? Yes, okay, do on. Please read the text below.
Julia and Aaron are going to do geography. She talks about a dog in the park. That is where she had an accident, and Aaron offers to bring chocolate when they study.
Oh, okay, so let's now to number 4. Oh, okay. So read and answer. This time you are going to read and answer.
Yes.
Yes. So, um, do you want to read the conversation or not?
No.
Please write your answer in questions, okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Please write your answer and tell me if you're done, okay, Duan?
Yes.
Please read the question carefully and please find your answer inside conversation or in this um yeah, it's conversation. you done, Joanne?
Yes.
Okay, so number one, what's wrong with Jim? What is your answer? Let's read.
He doesn't well.
Yeah, well, or he doesn't well. Very good. Number two, how long got that problem?
The problem for a week.
Yes, that is correct. Is he feeling awful now?
Yes, he is feeling awful now.
Very good. Yes, he is feeling awful now. How about number four?
He should drink lots of water.
Yes, he should drink lots of water. Okay, you should stay in bed and drink lots of water. Very good. So in here, I'm going to give you 4 out of 4. Yes, clap your hands now to us. Okay, very good. So let's proceed now to the next page. Okay, so please answer the 3 questions. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes, okay, let's check your answers. Number 5, what's wrong with Alex Rabbit? What is your answer? Can you please tell me? Number 5, Duan, please read.
Alex had a problem with her hat.
Okay, Alex Rabbit had a problem with her. Very good. Number 6, did the problem start months ago?
No.
Yes, it did. Yeah. Number 7, what is Alex going to do? Going to take his rabbit to the vet. Very good. Okay, so you only got how many? 2 out of 3, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed now to the next page. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, are you done, Duan?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check your answer. Number 8, has Julia broken her arm? No, she. Oh no, she hasn't. She has. She has broken her ankle, right? Okay, that is the correct sentence. Okay, no. Can you please read the one? She has broken her ankle. Please.
No, she hasn't. She has broken her ankle.
Very good. Number 9. How long has Julia got since Tuesday? How is she feeling now? No, 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 no. I'm so sorry. Okay, she is feeling fine, but a bit bored. She's feeling bored. Okay, so this is correct, and it yes, correct. So in here, you only got how many? Two out of three. Okay, please read. Please. Okay, let's about you, Duan. Okay, let's talk about you. Okay, so in here, imagine that you are feeling tired. Okay, wait for a minute. Situation. So this will be the situation. Imagine that you are feeling tired. You may be sick, and I am your friend. I'm going to send you some text messages to know more about your problems. What will you reply? Hi, what's wrong with you? Okay, your friend asks you something like, "Hi, what's wrong with you?" What will be your response about her chat? Please write. What will be your response about her chat? Okay, please write your answer. Okay, Duan, please read the situation first. This is the chat of your friend, and you need to respond to this chat. Okay, is that clear, Duan? Did you understand? Did you understand, Duan? Okay. Imagine that you are feeling tired. You may be sick, and I am your friend, and I am going to send you some text messages to know more about your problems. What will you reply? Your friend's chat here is, "Hi, what's wrong with you?" And what will be response about her chat? You are feeling tired, and you may be sick. are you done? Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, I've got sick and I'm very tired today. Okay, so your answer is too short. Okay, I want more answer, but your answer is too short. So can you please write can you please add on your sentence in here? Can you please add on? Okay, please add on. I've got this sick and I'm very tired today. And I don't want to work. I don't want to play. Okay, then yes, okay, continue. Okay, please read your answer, Duan, now.
I've got a sick and I'm very tired today.
Okay, so very good. Let's proceed now to the next page. Okay, so I think it's already time, Duan. Okay, so what was our lesson all about today? We are learning about those conversation, right? Is my answer. Yes. Okay, so what was our lesson for today? We are Duan, hello.
Yes.
What was our lesson for today? Can you please tell me what did you learn from our lesson? Very simple, Duan. All you need to do is to tell me what was our lesson for today. Today we learned about Duan, hello. Today we learned
Yes.
about many conversations with emoticon, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think it's already time. Goodbye, Duan. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Duan.